Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we learned how to move a player forward along a diagonal path. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to change the player's direction using a mouse click. This way, the player will try to follow a square path. So, first of all, open the player script in Visual Studio. We will add a new method here. This time, it's update instead of fixed update because update runs every frame, perfect for checking real-time inputs like keyboard, mouse, or touches. Input changes frame by frame, so it must be checked in a sync with the game's rendering loop. Using fixed update for input can miss key presses because it runs a fixed time interval, not every frame. And here, add if input.get mouse button down, set the direction index plus equal to speed magnitude. And here let's add a debug.log to print the direction index. Here, input.get mouse button down, check if the left mouse button is pressed or not. When it is, we increase the direction index by 1. We also add the debug.log to print the direction index to the console just to see it's working or not. Now save the script and go back to the Unity and hit play. Now every time you click the mouse button, the player changes its direction. Let's drag the console tab next to the scene or game view so we can see the debug message more clearly. Hit play again and start clicking. You will see the values in the console 0, 1, 2 and 3. But wait, once it's tried to go past index 3, we get an error, index out of range. That is because the array only has 4 directions 0 to 3 and we are trying to access the fifth one. Let's fix that. Go back to the player script and inside the update method, check if direction index is equal to direction.length, then the direction index is 0. It means if the direction index reaches the length of an array, which is 4, we reset it to 0. This way, player keeps moving in a loop 0, 1, 2, 3 back to 0. Now save the script again and hit play. Click few times and you will see the player nicely follow the path. No more errors. So what's happening here? We are making the player change his direction every time the player clicks, moving to the next side of the square. This is the core mechanic of this game. Our task in this game will be to follow the exact path of the square. But if the player ever touches the wall outside the path, the game is over. And that is what we will build next. So stay tuned. Good job so far. In the next video, we will implement collision logic to detect when the player hit the wall and trigger a game over.